that happened. I said, please person is just gonna like drive by.
I know, and I was in the middle of running, and Allie's like, Jill, there's a police car right there, and I was like, oh, I'll because I didn't think I was doing anything wrong. I need a Sharpie.
I have a Sharpie. You were drawing on public property.
Point though. That's okay.
I thought you didn't carry one.
Who? Me? Not me.
What are you doing?
I'm writing XXX straight edge for life.
Oh my god. You know that's gonna come off, right?
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
It's pen, look.
It's not.
Off.
It's permanent marker.
I just wiped it off.
No, you didn't. After you said this was permanent marker. Ballpoint. Sharpie. What the hell? What does that mean? A ball or Sharpie is permanent. When you use it.
Oh, you just touched my butt.
That's okay. It's trying to
You have no pants
I'm
on.
gonna put this in my purse. There you go. Yeah, my hand, not right there, but okay. Oh, the wind took it.
The win. The win.
Okay. So I was reading Mary Crawford's comments, and she's talking to Parker, you know, Matthew Waffle or whatever, and she's all like, oh, I need a girlfriend.